Hi guys, I just got my wireless keyboard. Let's take a look of it. This is the keyboard. It's very compact, thin, so very light. The biggest sell for this one is that you can connect to 3 different devices. Like mine, I have 2 laptops, so this one is gonna be really helpful for me because this is my current keyboard right now. The downside for this one is that you can only connect to 1 device at a time, which I don't really mind it. I can switch it around, right? But the thing is, I don't know, it's because it's old. I got this one maybe like 3 years ago. Maybe it's old or the connection is not good anymore. And then I do have 2 laptops. They are really far away from each other. Also, in between this keyboard and one of my laptop, there's little distance right there. But this keyboard just not working. It's not connect well. I cannot really type or use it. So I decided to buy a new one. Let's take a look of the comparison. This is a new one I got. It's much smaller than my old one and it's really light. This one is really heavy. So today I'm going to test if I can connect to 3 different devices and then what's the distance it can take. First of all, we are going to put the AAA battery right here to power it up. And then we do have this USB receiver right in the back. So we need to use this one later. So this is how my setup usually is. I have 1 laptop there, 1 laptop here, and then I put my keyboard right here. So if this keyboard can let me connect to 3 different devices, which is really convenient for me because I don't have to move around my keyboard right here because I need to use this one or right here because, all the stuff. And then right now we are going to connect to one of the device first, and then we will see what's going on. Let's turn on the power. Press BT1 and press again, hold 3 seconds until the light is flashing. Now you can see my laptop is catching the signal. Hit connect. Here we go. So right now my first laptop right there is already connected to my keyboard. And let's see how it works. And then we search what's the weather today. Nice, it works. Because my old one does not work at all from this distance. And then right now we are going to connect to a second laptop and let's see how it takes. So we press this Wi-Fi mode. And we plug in this USB receiver. Once I plug it in on my laptop, it cut the signal right away. So my second laptop is already connected to my keyboard right after I just switch a button to the USB signal. What time is it in New York? Nice, it works. So right now I'm going to switch around in between these 2 laptops and then see how this amazing keyboard is. Alright, so right now I'm on Wi-Fi mode. So I'm going to delete everything and type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or... Okay, works good. And then I'm going to switch to the second laptop. So I just press BTA and then let's see A, B, C. Oh, so let's see A. Oh. It works. So right now I can switch the signal around in between these 2 laptops. That's one thing. It's not a problem. I just want to point out when I was just testing right now. If we are using USB receiver, then we can type the words continuously. So if I press H, it's go all the way H. If I press 1, and it's go all the way 1. Okay, so right now I'm going to switch to this Bluetooth mode. So I'm going to put here, I switch to a mode right here. So I press 1, it just go like 1. I press 2, I'm still pressing, but it's only 2. So, you can work good, but it's just not continuously typing for you, which is good. Which is fine. It's not a big issue. I'm good with that. And right now, I'm going to connect to my third device, which is my iPad, and see how it works. Okay, I just turned on my laptop, so right now I'm going to connect to the third device. Let's see how it works. I'm going to press BT2. Okay, so now we see my keyboard, Bluetooth. I just press connect. I say, do you want to connect it? Yes, connect. Okay, it's connected right now. Alright, all set. Let's see if it works on my third device. Let's see, press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ooh, it works. Nice. But one last thing, we are going to test how this Bluetooth distance can be if my laptop is right here and I'm sitting over on my couch, like, can it still be connected? So let's see. My laptop is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So I'm gonna sit here. I'm going to type like, how are you? Nice. It works. I just type whatever. It works good. It works right here and right there, everywhere. That's good. That's great. Amazing. Guys, this keyboard can connect to 3 different devices and they all work great right away. And then like this item is the best buy I got this year. I think. No, yeah. I mean, it's really good because I don't have to like worry about the connection or whatever. And I can sit on my couch, play any like PC game or whatever. I'm kidding. I don't really play games. But check this out. It's great.